Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Antonia. I hope you guys are doing well. I know I haven't filmed in a little while. I took another little break. I'm so sorry, but I have a very special unboxing to show you guys. I haven't bought anything in quite a while besides like shoes. You saw in the summer I bought some shoes, but I haven't bought a lot of things in quite some time now. But I received a lovely gift and I thought that this would be a great unboxing for you guys to see, and also just to say thank you to my friend for gifting me this piece. It was such a kind and thoughtful present. She knows that I love luxury goods and she knew that I didn't have something like this, so then she decided to pick out this piece for me. And obviously if you read the title, then you know that I am unboxing the Louis Vuitton Slim purse for you guys today. There's not that many videos out there on YouTube about this, however there are still a few of them, so I'm going to do my little unboxing and show you guys this wonderful piece because I feel like it's a little underrated. Before we get to the unboxing, this is what the packaging looks like because she did get it during Christmas time, of course, like it's month of December, so it's holiday packaging. And when she handed this over to me, I did not even realize that it was Louis Vuitton because I didn't recognize the print on it, but it is the Lego packaging, which is really cute. If you look really close up, which I'll get close up for you guys, it's the Lego packaging. You can see that they're little Legos. It says Louis Vuitton Paris on there, and then it's little Legos. It has gray handles. Very cute. Then the bag is just, it's just the bag. So it looks like this when you open up the box. And the box is the same. There's not like any fancy new box for the holiday season. And I'll just show you guys what the box looks like regularly. This is what a regular box looks like. I think the box is the same box. Yeah, right? Like, look. I think the box is the same box, and then the ribbon is a little bit different. So regularly you get this blue ribbon, and then holiday ribbon is this orange ribbon, and it says Louis Vuitton in gold. And then they put a little Lego piece because it is like the Lego piece packaging, and then you could write a note, but she didn't write a note. So this is what it looks like. I'm just gonna unslide it to the back here because I love like just having the boxes intact. I'm weird like that. So it's a drawer box. It opens up. It comes with a dust bag, and that's just the regular dust bag to reveal the monogram slim purse. This is the monogram slim purse with noir vachetta leather, I believe, and it actually is currently in stock on the website, so I will link the item down below in case you are wondering. It retails for $6.20 Canadian dollars, and it comes in 4 different prints. So there's this regular monogram with the noir leather. Then it comes in damier ebene, and it has like a cream vachetta. Then it comes in damier azur, which is the azur print, and then the pink vachetta. And then it comes in monogram reverse with black vachetta as well. So there are quite a few of them. They all retail for the same amount, but my friend knew that I am a regular monogram girl through and through, so she picked out this one for me. She was very sneaky when she picked it out because she was telling me she was buying, or she was like trying to get research for her friend's daughter, and then I was like, I don't own any of those, so I don't really have like an opinion on them. And then she ended up picking this for me because she knew I didn't have like a larger wallet. It is 7.9 by 4.3 by 0.2 inches. So 7.9, 4.3, and then 0.2 inches. Yeah, because it's very slim, as its name states. Again, it's black, monogram coated canvas, and cowhide leather. Cowhide leather lining, gold color hardware, zip closure, flat pocket, inside zip pocket. And I do want to show you guys, it's like a grained leather. I just have a light here, so you can see that there's like, it's leather and it's like leather lined, which is really nice. And then on the back it features 8 card slots, so I think that is actually quite plenty. It says there's 6 card slots and then 2 outside flat compartments, but realistically it's 8 card slots because then like this fits cards in it, you know what I mean? So I would say it's 8 card slots, but they say it's 6 card slots plus 2 outside flat compartments. I don't know what you would really use for these flat compartments, but I think it would be another card. So realistically, in my mind, it is 8 card compartments. Let's go through what fits inside. I haven't used this yet, but I just know that this is strictly a smaller, compact, long wallet, and I'll show you why. I know the main question is going to be, does a phone fit inside? I have the iPhone 13 Pro, not the Max, just the regular size Pro. And if I unzip this compartment and slide it in, I have all 8 slots filled up. It does fit. So you could realistically just carry it like this. You could be good to go, carry the phone in there, in a pinch you're fine, and I think that's okay to carry. But if you start loading it with other things, I saw videos of it where people were loading it with keys, lip glosses, things like that. These are just too bulky. Realistically, like, it's just too bulky to carry inside this, and because it's like 0.2 inches, like it's paper thin, you know what I mean? Like, it's not very thick. So realistically, I think this would be great as just a wallet. If you're a person that like regularly carries a Continental wallet, but you're trying to downsize or like really downsize your wallet size, I think this is a good option to have because it's very slim, so it will like fit in a lot of bags. Not the mini bags that I personally typically use, but if you're a person that has like totes and you don't want to carry like a big fat wallet anymore, this is great. Because then here I have 2 bills. They fit in the front pouch too, so I have 2 bills in there now, you can see. And then if you wanted to, you could move the bills in the front, just because you might be scared that they might fall out. And then you can do change inside of it. You do have to be careful with change because then it could get bulky if you have a lot of change, but you could do change in there and then zip it up and you're good to go. And then do just receipts in the front. I don't know if you guys carry your receipts. Like, I do keep a lot of my receipts, but I want to show you guys if you do want to carry your like lipstick, lip gloss, stuff like that, like it just gets too bulky, especially with the cards inside. Like, do you see that? The zipper is buckling now to one side and then your pouch is like open. You can use it like that. Nobody's gonna stop you, but then you have to realize that you're kind of stretching out and like ruining the integrity of the piece. Really wanted something that's gonna carry your cards and stuff like that. I would do like a wallet on a chain versus something like this. Oh my god, see, it like just does not want to keep the items inside because this is so flat. So it's more made for just cards, receipts, like maybe documentation, like paper or money. The way I want to use it is actually to use it as like a travel wallet, because a lot of times I carry this wallet. This is my Chanel card case and it's very itty bitty, right? Like, it is a fat wallet, but like it's quite itty bitty. It fits in like most of my purses. I would take my stuff out of that wallet because I don't typically travel with that wallet. That's my day-to-day wallet, the Chanel card holder. And then I usually carry just my Louis Vuitton clays as a wallet, or I'll carry like a card holder as a wallet when I'm on vacation. But how I think we could use it is that I have a passport holder. It's from Louis Vuitton as well. See, I told you I'm a monogram girl through and through. I can just slide that into the pouch here. And then I have my passport plus these extra cards in case I did need extra cards with me, and then I could have some currency inside here and everything would be very nice and secure, because then I don't have to worry about where my currency for the country that I'm traveling to is going, especially if I'm just carrying a small card holder on the regular. So I could put this in my personal item, and then this would be great because then I have like some extra cards if I did want to carry the extra cards with me. Typically I just carry 2 credit cards, my driver's license, and a health card, because then all these like loyalty cards are not in use. But say I'm going to Japan and I want to go to Costco. Like, I'd have to carry my Costco card with me, you know what I mean? So then I could just throw that in here, or like whatever else. If you had like gift cards to like somewhere in that country that you're going to, or Disney gift cards if you're going to Disney World, I don't know. But wherever you're going, you can fit your extra cards here, and then you don't necessarily have to put them in your card holder. That way, initially when you're going to your destination. Everything is there. And then if you did have a partner or you have kids or something like that, well, I guess I wouldn't say kids because then too many of these might not be a good idea. But if you have a passport and then like mine would go in here, but if I was carrying like another person's passport, I guess it doesn't have to be your partner, it could be your bestie. But if they didn't want to carry their passport, it could go in here as well. And then it would close, and then everything is nice and secure and everything's in one place, and then you're in control of taking the passports out or whatever. I'm gonna definitely use this as a travel wallet because day-to-day life I'm not gonna use a large wallet. I'll show you the day-to-day bag that I typically carry. Ever since I got this, I've been using this. I don't use anything else. It's just so incognito that I love it. I look like every other Toronto girl. I don't care though, because like it's just so incognito, and this is not gonna fit in here. Do you know what I mean? Like it's not gonna fit in here. So I'm excited to have this piece because it's definitely gonna come in handy. However, it's not gonna fit in my like bags. And it would be ridiculous if I carried a wallet like this in this bag. Love this thing, by the way. Cannot recommend the Lululemon Everywhere. What is this? Everywhere belt bag. Cannot recommend it enough. Thank you so much again to my friend who gifted this to me. I love it so much. It was such a nice, generous gift. I could not believe my eyes. I've never been gifted anything like this before. So like, thank you so much. You know who you are. And thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to follow me on Instagram _HelloHarley. Make sure to follow me on TikTok @HelloHarley. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.